Welcome to the MindStorm channel. Here are 11 small business ideas that you can start today. Number 1. Start a blog. Have you ever been minding your own business, scrolling through your Facebook feed, then suddenly seeing that one friend from high school who's now killing it with their new startup nonprofit blog? Something about saving the world through dance. So you think to yourself, I could do that too. Well, guess what? You can. What you first need is a specific topic that will create a following of enthusiastic people. Here are 3 ways to come up with a niche idea for your blog. First, figure out what you're good at. And I don't mean just any old mediocre skills, like making small talk or maybe doing laundry. What's your passion? What do you love? If you have a passion for it, chances are there are thousands of others who also have that same passion, and you should start a blog on the topic. Next, do some research. See what other blogs are doing out there and what topics they're covering. This will give you a good sense of what's trending and what's popular. And finally, keep a running list of ideas. Whenever you have an idea for a blog, no matter how small or silly, write it down. You can keep a physical notebook or use a note-taking app on your phone. But the important thing is to have a dedicated space to capture those ideas as they come to you. You can then monetize it all by placing ads on your blog. You'll earn money each time a reader clicks on one of the ads. You can also sign up for affiliate programs, which will give you a commission each time someone buys a product that you promote on your blog. Finally, you can sell products or services directly from your blog. If you have a large enough audience, this can be a very lucrative way to earn money from your blog. Number 2. Create an online course. If you're like most people, you probably have a skill or knowledge that others would benefit from learning. Why not create an online course and share your expertise with the world? It's a great way to make some extra money, and you can even do it in your pajamas. Here's how to get started. Decide what you want to teach. Knowledge is power. So consider how your knowledge can help others by creating an online course on a subject you know well. Do some research to find out what that market wants and needs most. What are people struggling with? What are their goals? What would your target audience want from you? Don't worry if this isn't something that comes naturally to you. There are many ways to teach, like using YouTube or writing your blog. Next, try dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model in which entrepreneurs sell products without having to carry any inventory. When a store owner receives an order from a customer, they simply contact the supplier, who will then ship the products directly to the customer's door. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business with very little upfront investment. Number 4. You can try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Have you ever been on a website, clicked on a link, and then bought something from the site you were taken to? If so, you've experienced affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way for companies to pay dealers when customers are brought in by the dealer. For example, if you're a car salesman and mention a certain brand of car in one of your blogs, that company may pay you money if one of your readers buys the car. Number 5. Create a physical product. There's no shortage of things you can sell these days. You can sell your time, your expertise, or your physical belongings. Creating a physical product to sell doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be quite simple if you follow these steps. First, figure out what people want or need. This is the most important step. If you create a product that nobody wants, you won't be able to sell them. Do your research and figure out what people are looking for. Next, find a supplier. Once you know what people want, you need to find a supplier who can provide you with the materials or finished products. This step can be tricky, but there are plenty of resources available to help you find the right supplier. Look up the companies that allow you to buy wholesale, then you resell the product for a higher price. Gift baskets are a great example. You can buy smaller items, then put them all into a larger gift basket and sell everything for a higher price. You can sell on websites such as Etsy and eBay. Both of these platforms have lots of traffic and those customers just might find your products very appealing. Number 6. Personal services. Here are 3 personal service businesses that you can start. The first one is a pet sitting business. This is a great option for animal lovers who want to earn some extra cash. All you need is a few supplies and a love for furry creatures. Another type of personal service is an errand-running business. This is perfect for people who are organized and have a knack for getting things done. You can work with the elderly, driving them to shopping areas. You can also become an event planner. An event planner business comes with a variety of responsibilities that include coordination, marketing, promotion, advertising, and sales. Finally, if you love to stay active, start a walking or running business. You can charge per mile and get people in shape while making some extra cash. Number 7. Sell digital products. Digital products are simply products that are delivered electronically. This could be anything from a PDF file to a software program. And there are many ways to sell digital products, like commerce websites, online stores, marketplaces, social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Another digital product you can create are videos, or an ebook, or podcast about a topic you're passionate about. These digital products can be as short as a few videos on how to cook, how to build an IKEA chair, or how to drive a manual car. Or they can be more complex, such as an online class on pottery making or advanced cake decorating techniques. There are so many possibilities for what you can sell. Number 8. Start a consultancy business. If you're looking to become a consultancy service, there are a few things you should know. First, you need to be able to talk a lot. Consultancy services are all about giving advice, so you need to be able to talk confidently and sound like you know what you're talking about. Secondly, you need to be able to work long hours. This is because clients will often want to meet outside of normal office hours, so you need to be available when they are. There are a lot of variables to consider when asking how much a consultancy service can make. It really depends on the quality of the consultant, the market, and the size of the company they are consulting for. Generally speaking, a consultancy service can make a pretty penny. The range in the United States is around $60,000 to $90,000 a year on average. For number 9, you can start a food and drink business. There are lots of different ways to make money as a small business in the food and drink industry. You can start a catering business or even a food truck. Just like paying taxes, everybody needs to eat multiple times daily. So starting a small business in the food and drink area is an excellent way to get a piece of that pie. Number 10. Become a grocery delivery service. Start a grocery delivery service for a specific group of people. This is perfect for busy people who don't have the time to go to the store, or for those who live in rural areas where there are no grocery stores nearby. Let people know about your new business by putting up flyers and telling everyone you know. Make sure to offer great customer service. Repeat business is your bread and butter. Number 11. Get into property. There are a lot of things to think about when starting your own property business. Number 1 is to do your research. You need to know everything there is to know about the property business before you get started. Read books, talk to experts, watch HGTV and YouTube. Get as much information as you can. You also need to find a niche. Once you know the ins and outs of the property business, you need to find a niche that you're passionate about. Whether it's fixer-uppers, luxury homes, or commercial properties, find an area that you can focus on and become an expert in it. You'll also need to find a location that has good potential for the type of property you want to sell and buy. This can be a residential area or commercial district, but it needs to meet your requirements for the type of property that you're selling or buying. These 11 small business ideas will definitely get you started on the right road. And who knows, with a little bit of luck and a lot of hard work, you might even end up being the next big thing. Get out there and start making your mark on the world. And if you'd like more inspiration, watch my other video on starting 11 more small business ideas.